Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we're going to cover how to insert an image in a Confluence page. Adding images to your Confluence pages can significantly enhance your documentation by making it more visually appealing and easier to understand. Whether you're looking to enrich your content with engaging visuals or simply want to ensure your page is more informative, knowing how to efficiently insert images is essential. Today, we'll take you through the simple process of adding an image to your Confluence page, step by step, ensuring that even beginners can follow along without a hitch. Let's begin by navigating to your Confluence homepage. Once you've logged into your account, the first step is to make sure you're in the right workspace. In the world of Confluence, a workspace is your collection of active projects, or areas where teams come together to collaborate. By clicking on Workspaces, you can keep your projects neatly organized, making sure that you're working within the correct project or document set. This step helps you avoid any confusion and ensures that you're enhancing the right document with your visual content. After you've selected your workspace, your next move is to choose the specific page where you want to insert your image. This could be an existing document that needs some visual enhancement, or it might be a brand new page that you are starting to build out from scratch. Clicking on your chosen page will bring up its content in the main window, allowing you to proceed with the editing process. With your page open, the next step is to enter editing mode. Look for the Edit button, which is often represented by a pencil icon located at the top of the page. Clicking on this icon will enable editing mode, granting you the ability to make changes and add exciting new content to your document. Once you're in editing mode, you'll need to find the option to add media. This includes images, videos, or files. Usually, you'll find this option in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Clicking on this will open up your media insertion tools, preparing you to select the content you want to display on your page. Here, you'll encounter an option to upload a file. By choosing the Upload option, a window will open, allowing you to browse your computer and choose an image file you wish to add. Make sure that your image is saved locally on your computer, and it's often best to have it in a compatible format, such as JPEG or PNG, for optimal results. Once you've located your image file, you can click Open, or simply double-click it to upload it to your page. Now that your image is uploaded, you should see it appear on your Confluence page. At this stage, you might want to make some adjustments to its size or position within your document. Doing so will ensure that it fits nicely with the surrounding text and maintains a balanced layout. A well-organized page with a good mix of text and visuals will be more appealing and easier for your audience to digest. Finally, after reviewing your changes and confirming that everything looks just the way you want it, don't forget to click on the Update button. This crucial step saves your edits and updates the live page, making the newly added image visible to anyone who views the document. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted an image into a Confluence page, boosting both the visual appeal and the clarity of your documentation. Keep experimenting with different techniques, and as you become more comfortable, your Confluence pages will become even more effective and engaging. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to insert an image in a Confluence page, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.